everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to enable game mode in Windows 10 and explain how it helps improve your gaming performance. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Settings by clicking the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and then selecting the gear icon. The Settings window is where you can control and customize different system features. It is important because this is where you can access all the main Windows options. Step 2. In the Settings window, look for the Gaming section and click on it. The Gaming section contains features related to gameplay, recording, and performance. This area is designed to help you optimize your system for a better gaming experience. Step 3. Once you are inside the gaming settings, find Game Mode on the left-hand sidebar and click on it. The sidebar helps you navigate between different gaming features easily. Selecting Game Mode will open its specific settings on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Locate the Game Mode slider and switch it to On. Turning this option on allows Windows 10 to prioritize your game by reducing background activity and allocating more system resources to it. This can help improve performance and provide smoother gameplay. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.